Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This beautiful and spacious home awaits you in the gated community of New Harbour Village, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The land area of this home is 5,259 square feet and it has a huge main bedroom ensuite along with three other bedrooms and a bathroom which totals to four bedrooms and two bathrooms. The kitchen is extremely spacious and is fitted with granite countertops. This home can be used as a single family home or easily converted to a two-family home for income earning. This is definitely an inviting place to call home. Other features of this home includes ceramic tile, water tank, water heater, grilled, 24-hour security, family oriented, and gated community. The current price of this home is Jamaican $32.5 million or US $206,400. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.